Okay, so hello, good evening everyone. Today I'm going to start with a very fresh chapter, that is statistics. And it's a wonderful chapter and I'm with Anjana, and we are going to discuss those chapter, and we are going to learn today in the same class, try to get over with mean, median and mode, all the three measures of central tendency. Okay, so I would like to start with mean. First of all, Anjana, can you tell me what is a mean?
The average.
Very good. So mean is defined as an average, and if I give you three numbers, let me say 3, 3, 4 and 5, can you tell me what is the mean of this?
4.
Good. So how you calculated the mean? So mean can be calculated by sum of all observations divided by
The
total number of observations. This is the formula. And the way that we represent mean in mathematics or here is, we will write x bar. When we write x bar, it means we are talking about mean. Alright. But till now, the formula that we were using was, to calculate the mean, we were using sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. But this formula is relevant only when the observation of numbers are not big enough. If the total number of observations is too big, let us say 100, 500, 1000 or 1000, 10,000, then what to do in that case? So we can't write all the numbers, keep adding. We will even forget which number is added or which is not yet added. Suppose I give you a list of numbers and you start watching the number in the calculator and again seeing and watching it, typing it. At some point of time, you will forget whether that particular number is being typed or not. If the numbers are in the same series, 999, you are adding 4 times, you will forget it. How many times I have added 9? You will forget it. So in that case, what we do, we group the data. And when we group the data is, you can say we draw the histogram, but we will draw a frequency distribution table. What we are going to do, we will draw a frequency distribution table. So let me show you that as well. So first we are doing very simple examples. The marks obtained by 12 students in a monthly test are, so this kind of questions comes in your MCQ. 11, 19, 07, 13, 18, 21, 9, 18, 21, 9, 5, 20, 17, 16, 21, 5, 20, 17, 16, 21. These are the marks obtained by 12 students. So how to find the mean of that? You will add all the numbers divided by 12. Good. Understood? Now the mean of 7 variable is 12. The next question. Mean of 7 variables is 12. Can you tell me the total sum of all the variables? That is the first thing. Can you tell me the total sum of all the observations in this case, if the mean of 7 variable is 12?
But I don't know.
This is the first thing that you should know about the mean. The total sum of all the variable, if the mean is 12, that means every variable is 12. So there are 7 variables there. So 12 times 7 is how much?
86.
84.
84.
7 times 2 is 14. So the last digit will be 4 only.
4.
Are you getting this?
Yes.
So we say that the sum of all the observation is 84. Now what they will do is, they will write some of the variables and they will ask you the other one. So 6 of the variables are 5, 13, 9, 17, 14. and 10. And let us say the last variable is x. They are asking what is this x.
Hmm.
So what you should do is, you can say that I am going to add all of them. So 5 plus 13 plus 9 plus 17 plus 14 plus 10 plus x. This is sum of all observations divided by total number of observations is equal to mean. That means the sum of all of the observation is 84. Are you getting it? This is how much? 7 times 12 is how much? 84. So x will be equal to what? So you need to add this. Now addition is an art as well. We should not add randomly like this. You should see the numbers who can make 10. For example, 7 and 3 can make 10. So you can add them together. So this will become 30. Then you can add this 10, 40. Then you can add this 10, 50. And then 5 plus 4, 9. So answer is 59. So x will be equal to how much? 84 minus
Sir, there's a
59.
9 in between.
What beta?
There's a 9 in between 13 and 17.
So very good. So we missed one number, so we can write 68. So x will be equal to 16.
Hmm.
Understood?
Yes.
Good one. Now next question. Example 3. The mean height of 8 students is 152 centimeter. Okay? What is the mean height of 8 students?
152.
152 centimeter. Two more students of height 143 and 156 moved in that group. Join the group. Okay? So I am writing mean height is how much? It is 152 centimeter. How many students are there? Number of students is given by 8. So two more students join the group. Okay? And their height was uh, 150, 143 and 146. 156. You calculate the new mean. This question is over to you. You have to do this. Now you see what happens if two people more will join. Will the number of strength will be same or will it be different now? And what was the total sum? Do you know how to do this question?
Not sure, sir. I've done it
Okay,
before, but
fine, no issue. So what you can do is, total number of observation is how much?
10.
10. Okay, with 152 times 8, are you getting it? Sum of all observation will be 152 times 8 plus 143 plus 156. Can you do it now?
Yes.
Do it.
One 151.5.
151.5. Very good. Very good. Understood? Okay.
Yes.
Now, can you tell me what is the sum? What is the um, sum of these two? If I
299.
289, and what is the average of these two?
299.
299. So, what is the average of these two? 149.5.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next question. In an examination, the marks scored by a class of 30 students was calculated as 58.5. Later on, so this is also a very good question. So it is given that x bar.
Previous question.
What beta?
In the previous question, what you did, you multiplied the existing mean into the number of students plus the new students divided by the new number of students.
Yes. It is like sum of all observations. So how to get all observations? So two observation is given to us. Previous observation is given to us in some other form. Not every observation is given, but it is given that 152 times 8 is the sum of all observations. Alright.
Yes.
Okay, so here is a new question for you. So there are 30 students and the mean of these 30 students is calculated as 58.5. This is calculated to you. Now they are saying that the marks of one student was wrongly copied as 57 instead of 75. So what was added actually was 75. What needs to be added was this was needs to be added, means this is the real number but accidentally they wrote this number and calculated the mean. Are you getting it? So you have to think whether if I add the original number, will the mean will increase or decrease? This is the first question you should ask to yourself. And then if it is increased, then what is the new mean? That you have to find out. So the question is, find the correct mean. Are you getting? Okay, do it.
Sir, I don't understand the steps. Could you help me once?
Okay, you think like this. Suppose we think that total number of observation is, let us say, x divided by number of observation is 30. So mean came out to be 58.5. So what is the total number of observation? It is 30 times 58.5. So decimal will be cancelled by this 0. So 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 8 is 24 plus 1 25, 3 into 5 is 15 plus 2 17. So the total sum is 1755. Understood? But we were supposed to add 75 instead of 57. So that means we have added something which is less, which came out to be 1755. So how much more is needed in that? So what you can do is, you can subtract 57 from this.
Sir, can we directly add 18?
Yeah, so that's what I was about to ask you. So you directly told me. So that means you can subtract 57 and add 75 to get back to the real original number. So you can directly add 18 to it. Are you getting it? Means you are adding 75 minus 57 to it. So how much will we get now? So 5 plus 8 is 13. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So 1773 divided by 30. Check it out and find.
$59.1.
How much?
$59.1.
Okay, correct. Now these type of questions are for single data. It will come as a multiple choice or 1 mark, 2 mark question like this. Okay, then we will have a 3 marks or 4 mark question as well. We will do that as well. Next question. The average score of boys in the examination of the school is 71. So boys average is 71 and that of a girl is 73. So girls average is 73. Now the average score of the boys and girls in the examination together, if you add together, you will get 71.8. Now you are calculating boys and girls together. Are you getting it? Find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls who appeared in the examination. This is the question. You have to tell me what is boys upon girls. B upon G.
Okay.
Okay. So will you try? Will you give it a try? Or,
Yes.
or you want me to help you out?
I'd like to try it out first if I'm not able to get it right.
Sure, beta. Sure. Sure. Carry on.
So can you help me off?
Okay. Okay. So let us say the number of boys is X. So the total sum will be, sum of all the total boys will be 71 times X. Let me write B only because X and multiply will get fixed up. Okay. Let the total sum of all the girls will be 73 times G. Are you getting it? So I will say that 71 times B plus 73 times G divided by B plus G is equal to 71.8. Can you do it from here now?
Can you complete it so that I completely understand?
You need just do the cross multiplication. Take B on one side, G on one side. Find the ratio B is to G.
Is it 3:4, sir?
Just wait. It is 3 is to 2, my dear. So 71B plus 73G is equal to 71.8B plus 71.8G. So G is more, so you will take G on this side, and B is more there, so you will take B on that side. So 0.2, 72, so 1.2 G is equal to 0.8 B. So you have been asked B by G, so G we will take this side, so 12 0.8 is equal to B by G. So decimal and decimal will get cancelled out, 4 into 2, 4 into 3. So B by G is how much? 3 by 2. Are you getting it? कौन सी चैट में? कंटेंट कुट्रियल. अच्छा ठीक है. Then बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we move ahead?
Yes.
Okay. Mean of group data. Okay. So mean of group data, how we calculate the group data? So first I am going to make the graph. So this is gain in weight. So you have to first draw this graph. I want you to copy this immediately. Okay. So it is 1 to 1.5, then it is 2, then it is 2.4, then it is 3, then this is 3.2 and 3.4. This is 4, this is 5, 8, 5, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, so first we have to make mean of the gain in weight. So first we are going to write this xi. So I want you to write this. This is xi, this is fi. Let me see how fast you can do, and do fi xi quickly. Make this table.
Done.
Done.
Yes.
So now you need to add this. What is fi xi? Add this, and what is fi? Sigma fi. To do this, and you write sigma fi xi. Add this quickly.
Done.
How much you got? Now mean is calculated using the formula sum of all observations. See, can you find that this is sum of all observations? And total number of observation is how much? This is the total number of observations. Are you getting it? Frequency. So divide it and tell me what is the mean.
2.4
How much? 2.4.
kg.
Okay. Okay. The distribution of heights of 50 children was as under. So now this is one another way of doing it. So 110, 6, 115, 8, 118, 14, 120, 15, 121, 4, 125, 3. Now I want you to make this table. Let this keep at xi and you will write fi as well. Write xi and fi, then I will teach you what to do next.
Yes, sir.
Or between them just give a gap.
Done.
Done? Okay. So now I want you tell you one beautiful thing, that if you do fi xi now, see this 115, 118, 120, 121, 125. So fi is I'm writing here. So 6, 8, 14, 15, 4, 3. What do you think? If you multiply these number by this number, are you going to get simple numbers or bigger numbers?
Big number.
Big numbers. So can you make it simple number? The answer is yes. What you can do, you can think of any number from your own mind to be the assumed mean of this. Can you tell me which number you find that it can be the assumed mean of this?
I don't understand by what do you mean by assumed mean?
Assumed mean. Suppose you are calculating what here? Mean. You are calculating what? Mean. Out of all these numbers, between these numbers only the mean will come. The mean will come from 110 to 125 only. So you can assume something from your own mind. Okay? And I would like to give you an advice to choose from these numbers only as an assumed mean. And there is another advice that choose the number whose frequency is highest, because that particular thing we are going to make it 0. We are going to subtract the assumed mean from that. So out of these numbers, which do you think can be the assumed mean?
120.
120. So let us write 0 here. Because 120 minus 120 is how much? 0. Now 180 minus 120 is how much? Negative 2, negative 5, negative 10. Below that you have 1 and 4. Okay? Now you do FIDI. You see, surprisingly, now this is very less. Huh?
120.
It will be 5. Sorry. So minus 10 times 6 is how much? Minus 60. Minus 5 times 8 is how much?
-40.
Minus 28. Then 0, 4 and 50. Now we will add this. So 15 and 4 is how much? 90.
19.
60 and 40 is how 100, 128. So you will do 128 minus 119. So it will be 109. So here you will get negative 109.
Okay.
Okay. So now x bar can be immediately calculated as. So what was the earlier formula? The earlier formula was sigma fi di sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. The total sum of all observations divided by total number of observations, right? But this
Yes.
time you have assumed something from your side. You subtracted that thing from your side. Since you subtracted, so you will add that. What you will do? Add. So you will write 120 plus. Now this is minus 109 divided by sigma fi is how much? So 6 plus 14, 20.
Yes.
Then 15, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 15, 30. So 30 plus 20 is 50. 50 only?
I think so.
Yes. So it is going to be 120 minus. So 0 will make it 0.9. So 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 8 is 40. So 120 minus 2.18. So 18, I will add 82 to make it 3. See how I subtract. 0.18, I am adding 82 to make it 3. And from 3 to 120, I need 117 more. So it is 117.82. This is your mean. Are you getting it?
Yes, it's the same formula, right? Sigma fi xi divided by sigma
It is not sigma fi xi. It is sigma fi di upon sigma fi. The xi is being replaced by di, my dear.
Okay, sigma fi di.
Divided by sigma fi. But before that, since you subtracted di, assumed mean. So you assumed something, so you will add that. Since you subtracted, you will add that. So this is known as mean deviation method.
Okay. So I can also
Assumed,
write it as
this is known,
sigma
sorry,
fi.
this is known as assumed mean method.
Okay.
Yes.
So I can write it as sigma fi di divided by sigma fi plus the assumed mean.
Yeah, so I think that thing you will forget not to add, so add it first. Write down di plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. All right.
Okay.
Or you will forget to add that later on. So please write it before. It is like the formula is like this, dear. Mean is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. What is a? A is assumed mean.
Okay. Just a minute, I will write down the formula. Yes. Done.
Done?
Yes.
So this way also you can get the solution. So if the numbers are too big, you can make it small by using the assumed mean method. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Then They have one more question like this. So sigma fi is given. Okay, so one more question is like this. The mean of the following distribution is 50 and the sum of the frequencies is 120. Find the values of f1 and f2. So they have given the data like this. Xi is 10, then you have 30, then you have 50. Today I have got one more free period session from 8 to 9. So if you are available, you can let me know. We can continue from 8 to 9 again as
Sure,
well.
I'll let you
Okay?
know.
Yeah, you let me know. So 50, 70, because in a continuous process you will learn it.
Hmm.
So this is xi, then you have fi. Fi is going to be 17. Then this is f1. After that you have 32 f2 and 19. And you have been given that this is 120. This is how much?
120.
120. So let us add it now. So 19 plus 17 is 36 and 36 plus 32 is going to be 68. That means 68 plus f1 plus f2 is 120. So you can find out what is f1 and f2 from here. 120
Okay.
minus 68. Are you getting it?
Yes.
f1 plus f2 will be approximately equal to 52.
Hmm.
Okay. I hope you are getting this.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's find what is fi xi. So it will be 170. It is 30 f1. So 32 times 5 means double it. So 640. No, 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 no. You have to half it. Sorry. 160. So it will be 70 f2. 1710. So if we do the sum of all the observations. So 117 plus 16 is 330. And 1710 plus 330 is going to be 2040 plus 30 f1 plus 30 f2. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So how many variables are there? Two
Two.
variables. So we need to have two equations, then only we will be able to solve it.
Yes.
So what are the two equations? So the first equation will come from f1 plus f2 plus 68 is equal to 120, which is already given to us. So f1 plus f2 is equal to 52. And the mean is given as 50. So 2040 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2 divided by total number of observation was how much? 120 is equal to how much? 50. So you can say
Okay.
30 f1 plus 70 f2 is going to be 6000 minus 2040. I hope you are getting this.
Yes.
So 3960. So that means 3 f1 plus 7 f2 is going to be 396. You can multiply f1 that equation by 3. So you will get 3 f1 plus 3 f2 is going to be 12 into 52 into 3. So 5 into 3 is 156. So 4 f2 will be equal to 240. So f2 is equal to 60 and f2 can't be greater than 52.
Just a minute. Almost there.
Yeah, you do your calculations.
Okay.
Okay, this is 252. We should have got. So this is incorrect. I think the total sum needs to be checked again. I missed some 1600 here, my dear. This should be have been 1600. This I missed. Okay, the
Oh.
sum is incorrect.
Oh. Okay.
So we have to be slow in this. So we got 252. This is the equation.
Okay, so 396.
Not 396, 252. Instead of 396, we got 252.
Okay. F2 is 50, sorry, 24.
So F1 will be 28.
Yes.
Very good. So now mean of the group data. Okay.
Yes.
So for group data, I will tell you a very simple trick, and we are left with just 10 minutes. And if you learn that trick in 10 minutes, you can do a lot of questions based on that in your textbook. So first of all, I
Okay.
am going to give the question and how to do it. So class interval is given to you that from 84 to 90, the total number of frequency is 8. Then from 90 to 96, it is 12. Then from 96 to 102, it is given by 15. Then from 102 to 108, it is given 10. And then from 108 to 114, 5. Alright? Okay. So the method I am going to use is step deviation method, the last method, which is the utmost method. And I will tell you, I will put on the timer in front of you. And I will show you how fast that method is. So as soon as you look at the question, this is the question in front of you, and you've been asked to find the mean of the following frequency distribution. So immediately you should start with writing CI. So you will write CI as 84 to 90, 90 to 96, 96 to 102, 102 to 108, 108 to 114. Alright? Just next to it, you will write XI. What you will write? XI. XI is the middlemost number of this. So 84 to 90 is how much? 87. So you have to focus on first number, Anjana. The next number you don't need to focus. You just keep adding 6 to it. Okay, so when you add 6 to it, how much you will get? 93, 99, 105, 10111. Easy. The next number you will write is UI. What you will write? UI. Take the middlemost number as 0. In the front of middlemost, you can see that this is the middle. So you will write 0, minus 1, minus 2. Below that write 1 and 2.
Okay.
Now
But
after
what if it's even?
you can write any number. Don't worry. Just any middle number. You can write 0 here as well. If it is either, you can write 0 here like this. You can write 0. So below, above 0 is minus 1. Below 0 is 1, 2 and 3. It's like that.
Okay.
You can choose any one of them. Alright.
Okay.
As of now, I am going to choose this. Let me choose this. So minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 2. So now you will write Fi. Now write Fi. Fi is how much? 8, 12, 15, 10 and 5. So minus 16, minus 12, 0, 10 and 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. Will get cancelled out. So you will have minus 8. Alright.
Okay.
Now X bar. Now you subtracted something from here. That's why you got 0. So since you subtracted, you will add it. Okay. So if I subtract 99 from 93, I would have got negative 6. But I am dividing it by 6 as well, because the difference is 6. You can see.
Yes.
So since I am dividing it by 6, I will multiply it by 6. So that 6 is known as H, the class width.
Class width. Okay.
Okay, A plus H times sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi. So A is how much? A I took as 99, H I took as 6, sigma Fi
Assume no.
assumed mean 99. In front of which 0 is there, that is the assumed mean. So 99 plus 6 times minus 8 divided by, let us add this. 2, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20, 40, 50. So 2 into 3, oh sorry, directly we can divide. So 5 into 0.3. So 99 minus 8 into 3 is 24, with one more 2.4. So with one more decimal you will get 0.24. So I will write 76, 98.76 is your mean.
Okay.
I think some mistake has been done. Calculation mistake is there. So 5.60 is
04.
yeah, okay,
5.04.
0.24. No, 5 1 5, 5 to the 10, 12, 8 to 96. 99 plus 0.24, right?
98.04.
Okay, okay, fine. So this is 0.96, sorry, minus.
Yes.
So this is your answer. 98.04. This was 96. Oh my god, what I am doing? All right.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
So this is how you calculate.
So step deviation is x bar is equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi.
Yeah. So first of all, I will tell you how UI is being calculated. So it is like a
Mm.
plus, sorry, it is xi minus a by h.
Ui equals to
Xi minus
x
a by h.
y. H is the class
Class
width,
size.
which is 6 in the.
Yeah, class size.
Ah. Mm.
So
So
since
the
you,
different class interval.
so now see this, since you subtracted, so you
Mm.
added
I'll add.
to compensate. Since
Yes.
you divided, so you multiplied to compensate.
Multiply. Mm.
Easy?
Yep.
So with this, I am going to end this class. And this I was teaching you the example number 1 on page 520.
Okay.
Now I would like you to practice in your own time all the examples
Mm.
up to examples 9. You
Okay.
can just have a look on them.
Example?
Up to example 9 before exercise 21.1.
Okay, example 9. Got it.
Yeah, instead of H, they have used C in your case. In
Okay.
your book, it is written as C, so you can use C as well. C means class width,
Okay.
class size. All right.
Okay.
You can practice this of your own, and if you get any problem, you can ask me. Or I think all the examples are there, so you don't need to ask. So once this is done, you will get to do all the kind of questions. But the questions that we will not do now from the textbook, we will directly do the previous year
Mm.
question paper.
Okay.
Questions we will do from the previous question paper. Concept we will build up from the textbook, the examples and the theory part.
Okay.
All right, so we have done today, we have completed one part, that is mean. So in the next hour, if you want a session, we can have from 8:30 to 9:30 as well. Whatever you can have a free time, you can let me know. Having the dinner, after the dinner, before the dinner, but after 8 only it is possible. So you can let me
Okay.
know, and then we can cover median in that class.
Okay.
I am not going to teach you more on this. This now you have understood the concept, I think. You have to just practice
Mm.
it. Then we will learn the concept of medium, and then we will learn the concept of mode, like that. All right.
Okay.
Chalo. Shall we end the class now?
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Yes.